Happy birthday, Uncle. Thank you for everything that you have done for me. I love you.
Happy. Sabay tayo. Happy. Kaga. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate Sox, yung sasabihin. Happy... Sumabay ka sa akin! 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Ate Sox! O, diba? Dito sabay din.
Hi Kuya Mac, happy birthday. We miss you already. Also Ate Port. Hope to see you soon. Enjoy your special day. God bless you. Bye.
Happy birthday po, Daddy. Ingat po kayo palagi.
Suma, kamusta po kayo? Happy birthday po. Mag-ingat po kayo palagi. God bless you po.
Hello! Happy birthday po, Brother Mac. Pati po, Sister Portia. God bless po. Ingat po kayo dyan sa Canada.
Bakit yung tricycle pwede mo? Siguro dito lang. Nakoy na! Ang top! Guys!
Binibidyo. Video pala yun.
Kala ko naman. Hi, Gar!
Ayan pa,
Hi!
Kita ba? Baliktad mo.
Ang liit na niyan, Gar.
Okay lang.